Hello and welcome back to the Data Centre Debrief for July. In this video, you'll learn about all the most impactful stories that happen in the European data centre market in July, along with an insight into the industry's leaders. I'm your host, William, Senior Consultant at Coalesce Management Consulting, the engineering consultancy who provides engineering, construction and project management services using our expert team of mission-critical engineering consultants. So, Chris Vonder Haar, who was previously the VP of AWS's data center operations, has recently announced his move to Google. This move came as current AWS VP, Urs Hölzle, decided to step down after 24 years to focus on his true passion, solving hands-on technical engineering problems. Urs posted on LinkedIn about his move, stating, "For some time, I've been wanting to get back into deeply technical work. I enjoy the technical challenges we have in this time of rapid evolution, and I very much enjoy working with the people I get to work with every day." Over in Ireland, Vantage Data Centers is appealing the decision to refuse a data center application in Dublin. The application was first filed on April the 4th with plans to build one two-storey data center with a floor space of 13,000 square meters. The application was rejected on May the 29th. Due to concerns regarding energy use and environmental impact. Council pointed to the lack of fixed connection agreements to connect to the grid, the lack of significant on-site renewable energy to power the proposed development, and the lack of evidence provided in relation to the applicant's engagement with a PPA in Ireland. I'll be interested to see the outcome of this dispute, as it's always great to see new and exciting projects come to Ireland. Our next story is over in France. DataBank has agreed to sell 5 of their French-based data centers to French developer Ethics Everywhere. The deal is expected to be completed before Q3 2023 and will increase Ethics' portfolio in France to 12 live facilities. Louis Blanchot, the CEO of Ethics, stated, "We deeply think edge data centers will be a key component of tomorrow's lives. This new acquisition is a strategic move to strengthen our leadership position in the French regional market and accelerate our development in Europe, where we aim to double our DC portfolio in the next 3 years." Our next story is regarding Norwegian company Green Mountain. Following their announcement in March, Green Mountain have been granted government clearance to build a data center campus for TikTok in Norway. Not everyone in the government was happy with this decision. A party spokesperson said, "Here the government disappoints greatly. We need electricity for emission cuts and new industrial workplaces that create the goods we need, not for cat videos and other unnecessary things like TikTok." In relation to this, Norway are looking to introduce new policies that introduce more regulation, which could definitely propose some developers' challenges. Our final story in the news segment is regarding Google. They have filed to build a new data center campus in Belgium, which will span some 53,000 square meters. Construction will start at the end of the year and will open in 2025. The first phase will span around 7,500 square meters. Hugues Bayat, a Belgian politician, said the campus will include photovoltaic panels and a heat recovery in order to power an urban heat network. So, as part of the Data Centre Debrief, we will now be featuring a company spotlight to give you an overview of some of the biggest players in the industry. This month's spotlight features no other than Equinix. Equinix are an industry-leading data center provider which was founded in Silicon Valley in 1998. They immediately burst onto the market, delivering their 50th data center as soon as 2010. This was delivered in London. Now in 2023, things are looking bright for Equinix. They own and operate an impressive network of over 240 data centers across 71 major locations. They also recorded a record quarter in Q1 2023, reporting over $2 billion of profits, which was an increase of 7% compared to the previous quarter. Their success came from over 4,000 newly closed deals, which span across 3,000 customers. All in all, the future looks bright for Equinix. Charles Mayers, the CEO, stated, "We have an unwavering commitment to become the trusted center of a cloud-first world. Our global platform and our team of over 12,300 of the industry's most talented people make amazing things happen. The future beckons with opportunities, and Equinix will be the one to connect these." They were the top highlights from the European data center market in July. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, share, or even better, all three. If you have a mission critical project coming up, CMC provide engineering, construction, and project management services to help deliver your project ahead of schedule and under budget. For more information, visit www.expertisedelivered.com or reach out to myself directly on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. I'm William, and this was your Data Center Debrief. I hope to see you again next month.